Got another. Lost it. Wow. Got one. Whoa. Come on, baby. Wow, these things are fighting. Come on. Come on, baby. No, 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 no. Wow, that's a cat. That's crazy. Wow, it's a big cat. Real big cat. I don't even know if I'm going to get this one. And he is big. He is big. You'll see him in a second. Woo, look at the size of that boy. Come on up. I'm going to let him wear himself out. Don't break that line. Ooh, he's big. Go on, chill out, pal. Whoa. All right, we're gonna have to wear him out. He's a big boy. Damn it. I don't know if I'm gonna get this bad boy up over my boat. Look at the size of him. Whoa! Look at the size of that cat. Come on, baby. Come on. Damn, he's huge. I don't know. Whoa, I don't know if I'm gonna get this bad boy up. I'm just gonna let him wear himself out. Wherever he is, I think it's a cat. The size of that bad boy. Hell no, that ain't no cat, is it? Hell no, that ain't. Check it out. Man, is that a drum? He's just gonna have to wear it out. I don't have to wear him out. That ain't no catfish. He's worn out, but I can't get him up. Oh shit. Go on, move around a little. There he is, I got him up. Got teeth on him, I gotta be careful. Look at the size of him. Hang on a second, boom. Not eating him. He took a hell of a fight. Ooh. He is big. Good boy, yeah. I'm gonna put him back. I don't even know what the fuck he is. Don't look like no red. Oh, damn, I hooked him good. I hooked him real good. That's what's been stealing my bait. Damn, I hooked him good. Come on, baby, I want the hook. I want to let you go. Come on. Come on, baby. Don't till it bite me with them little teethy of theirs. Alright, I'll be back. I gotta get them off. Got something. I don't know what it is. Shit, it's going for the bushes. Yeah, it looks like the same one I caught yesterday. Holy cow, is it? Another one. Wow. Whoa. Come on, buddy. Holy shit. Woo-hoo. Yeah. I gotta know what these are, man. I can't believe I don't know what it is. Alright. I gotta go over where we did before. Oh, no, the line. The line's all fucked up. Oh, are you kidding me? Come on. Get up here and snap off. One of the other. Oh. There we go. Holy cow, another big one. Oh yeah. Look at the size of that one. Holy shit. What a fucking fight they put up. I don't even know what it is. Alright. I gotta get this son of a bitch off. Not go in my boat. Let's see if we get him back in without going in my boat. Wow, he went back in his damn self. Alright, alright. Ooh, those things fight. I gotta find out what they are. Anyone knows, let me know down in the comments, please. I looked them up, I couldn't find it. Alright, off to another. Tape it. Oh my gosh, got another one, got another one. Oh, back to back. Whoa, oh, I lost it. Son of a bitch, just because I'm on the phone. I lost it, guys.